What kind of
no. No catching, sir. The kids, no.
No catching?
No, hindi niya kami nakita yung bata.
Okay. Okay.
Depende po yan, sir, eh. Hindi ko rin po, iba-iba po, sir. Kasi madalas din silang mag-away. Lagi silang nagkukuha ng divorce din.
Divorce?
Yes, divorce. divorce. Yun na yun.
No catching?
No catching.
Okay.
Then call me. I'm in the way. Pushing the car because our car damage. Ganunin ko lang, sir. No, sir. Wait lang, sir, ha? I just
Okay.
explaining first.
Explaining.
Sorry, sir, ha?
Hindi, okay lang yan. Ikaw naman, pare.
Mga kababayan ko, hindi po ako narito.
Hindi, you can say in English kasi para maintindihan din ni ano.
All my fellow Filipinos. Now, this is my side. Listen, look, and listen, and learn.